What's up guys? So I'm gonna show you how to remove the column, this plastic covers, and then how to take this whole wiper stock column, so we can compare the one that the two different kinds that they have for the Mazda B22 and B2000. So let's go ahead and do it. To get this covers off is really easy. You're gonna have a couple Phillips here, here, and here. We need to take all four of those out, and then we'll be able to just snap the covers out of the top and out of the bottom, and then we have access. We need to remove the steering wheel as well, take it out, and then that way we'll have access to be able to take the whole column on the inside over here. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, now that you have everything off, you have the covers off, you have your steering wheel off, you can see my other video on how to replace the steering wheel if you want to find out how to remove it. It's really easy. Basically you remove 3 or 4 bolts depending on which steering wheel you have, the center nut, take the steering wheel out, and then you have access to this. Now to remove this whole piece, there's a small little screw right here. Basically you loosen that screw and this whole thing should be able to come out. Don't forget you need to unplug the plugs on this side and also another one over here, and I believe there's a third one on the bottom. I don't know if you can see it there. It's gonna be this one right here. Okay, as you can see I have the whole thing kind of to the side now. I did forget there is actually 4 plugs. You're gonna have this one here. I forgot about this little black one right here. You need to plug this one, and this back one, and then once you have that you can remove the whole thing. Now be careful, sometimes it might seem like it's a little stuck in there, but I swear to you it's only this one bolt you need to loosen and then the whole thing comes out. You might just be careful just because it's plastic, it's old, it becomes brittle sometimes, so just keep that in mind. As you can see there's like small little cracks on this one, so just try to be careful with it. We do not want to destroy it because we want to obviously use it again. But let's get those plugs off and then we'll be ready to compare this unit to the other one. So now if you have your new unit that you're going to put on, basically we just need to do the exact same process we did before. We're going to make sure all our plugs are nice and tight on the back. We'll put it back on here, and then we'll make sure we tighten up our steering wheel, starting by the center nut and then going around to the other screws. So let's go ahead and put this back on, and it's going to twist a little bit for right now because I want to grab all my cables and plug them in. See, now that I have everything back on it, I'm making sure it's all nice and tight, and then we're gonna slide it right back into this. Sometimes you might need to work with the cables because they can get a little bit messed up. There, we're gonna push it back in. It's gonna make a little clip sound once it's in the right place. And now we are basically ready to put our steering wheel back on.